क्या आपको लगता है बायोटेक्नोलॉजी सिर्फ लैब कोट पहनकर टेस्ट ट्यूब पर एक्सपेरिमेंट करने वाला सब्जेक्ट है या सिर्फ प्लांट्स और एग्रीकल्चर तक ही लिमिटेड है? और क्या बीएससी ऑनर्स इन बायोटेक्नोलॉजी बिना एमएससी या पीएचडी के किसी काम का नहीं? अगर हाँ, तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है। आइए मिलकर इन मिथ्स को तोड़ते हैं और जानते हैं कि बायोटेक्नोलॉजी सच में क्या है। एक फ्यूचर रेडी करियर या सिर्फ एक मिसकंसेप्शन? नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं साक्षी चंडीगढ़ यूनिवर्सिटी उत्तर प्रदेश कैंपस के मिथ वर्सेस रियलिटी के थर्ड एपिसोड में आप सभी का तहे दिल से स्वागत है। आज हम ये सारे मिसकंसेप्शंस क्लियर करेंगे सीधे चंडीगढ़ यूनिवर्सिटी उत्तर प्रदेश कैंपस की हेड ऑफ बायोटेक्नोलॉजी डॉक्टर गुरमिंदर कौर जी के साथ। Ma'am, students have many misconceptions about biotechnology. They think that biotechnology is just similar as genetic engineering and microbiology. What would you say about it?
Well, Sakshi, biotechnology is a big umbrella which covers many domains like genetic engineering, molecular biology, microbiology and many more. Now, when we talk about genetic engineering, it is the genetic modification of organisms. Now, organisms can be plants and animals both. The seedless watermelon which you eat is a product of genetic engineering. Now, when we talk about microbiology, it is the study of microorganisms which are used for multiple applications and producing some fermented products. Curd is another example which I would use for microbiology. So, biotechnology is a big wheel and it has many spokes: genetic engineering, microbiology and many more.
So students have many scope.
Exactly.
मैम, स्टूडेंट्स को लगता है कि इंडिया में बायोटेक्नोलॉजी में जॉब या करियर का स्कोप ज़्यादा नहीं है।
ये सच नहीं है. This isn't true. Biotechnology is one of the fastest growing market in India. It is valued to over $80 billion and it is projected to increase to $150 by 2025. Thanks to initiatives like Viksit Bharat, Startup India, BIRAC and others which are supporting the biotech ecosystem in India. There are huge career opportunities for biotechnologists in the field of agriculture, healthcare, medical, environmental. In fact, they can start their careers in research laboratories as scientists or they can go for higher education and be academicians like us.
Really nice, ma'am. मैम, स्टूडेंट्स को लगता है कि बायोटेक्नोलॉजी सिर्फ लेबोरेटरीज में काम करने या एक्सपेरिमेंट्स तक ही लिमिटेड है। क्या कहना चाहोगे आप इस पर?
सच में बहुत सारे बच्चों को यही लगता है कि बायोटेक का मतलब लैब में काम करना. So biotechnology is not restricted to labs. While in your student life you have to spend a lot of time doing laboratory experiments, but later on it is not true. You can choose various career options including business development, product management, regulatory affairs, IPR, scientific communication or whatever. So depending upon your skills, if you are skilled in marketing, you can go for business development and product management. If you are skilled in research, you can go to research laboratories. If you are good in teaching, then again you can become an academician. So biotechnology is not restricted to laboratories. You can explore many options.
So instead of this myth, there are many branches in biotechnology.
Exactly. You can go for industry, you can go for whatever you want.
ओके मैम, क्या बायोटेक्नोलॉजी में सिर्फ प्लांट्स और एग्रीकल्चर की स्टडीज होती है?
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. बायोटेक्नोलॉजी इज अ डाइवर्स फील्ड. It is the study of living organism and the use of technology which uses make of this living organisms to make human life better. Biotechnology touches many fields like agriculture biotechnology, medical biotechnology, environmental biotechnology, animal biotechnology and बहुत सारी ऐसी और भी fields हैं. So it's a wide subject and it offers solutions for every aspect of life, be it agriculture, be it medicine, be it environment, be it sustainable agriculture और कुछ भी हो और बहुत सारी चीज़ें. So biotechnology is not restricted to plants and animals. It is to plants and agriculture. It is a diverse field and covers many more domains and it is very useful for human beings. So biotechnology is a multi-dimensional field that addresses the concern of health, hunger, pollution, sustainable development and many more.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, is it really true कि BSc honors in biotechnology की वैल्यू तभी होती है जब आप PhD या MSc करते हैं?
नहीं, ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. It really depends on your choice. Of course, higher education add feathers to your cap. So when you pursue higher education, you can find roles in research, in academics or whatever. But If you equip yourself, study carefully, your BSc Honors Biotechnology also makes you ready for many career options like research analyst, laboratory technicians, or in fact the companies are also hiring the fresh graduates because they need technical people to support them in many roles, which is data entry, product development, or many other fields. So it is not like that. Yes, of course, I would say that pursuing a master's or a PhD degree will find you better jobs, but if you equip yourself while studying the BSc Honors Biotechnology program and get yourself trained in some skills like bioinformatics or some other field, you can of course find entry-level job in many good companies.
So ma'am, we will end with the last question. What message would you like to give to the students aspiring careers in biotechnology at Chandigarh University, Uttar Pradesh?
Now, the message to the students which I would definitely like to give is that come join us at Chandigarh University, because here we have advanced laboratories, we have mentorship. So we not only guide you towards your higher education, but we also guide you to become professionals, to take up jobs in industry, to research or academician as per your choices. So here we have many options. We are here to guide you. We are here to make you industry, academia or research ready. So come join us at Chandigarh University, where we are shaping the future biotechnologists.
I really think कि आपसे बात करके and by this video आज सारे misconceptions about BSc Honors in Biotechnology students के ज़रूर clear हो जाएंगे. Thank you so much ma'am, thank you for your time, really nice meeting.
Thank you so much Sakshi, thank you so much.
तो आज हमने देखा कि BSc Honors in Biotechnology एक limited या uncertain field नहीं है, बल्कि एक evolving और opportunity driven career path है. राइट गाइडेंस और अवेयरनेस के साथ ये कोर्स स्टूडेंट्स को रियल वर्ल्ड इंडस्ट्रीज और रिसर्च डोमेन्स के लिए तैयार करता है.